Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be doing a video regarding the surface tab functions in Fusion 360. This video serves as a follow-up for the previous video that I talked about regarding the solid tab in Fusion 360. For those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. It will really help me a lot. So without further ado, let's carry on with the video. Okay, so in front of you, I have made a sketch, a preliminary sketch of a ladle. So let's go through some of the functions here. Extrude. Let's click on the profile. And when I click on extrude, under surface tab is actually create a surface or extrusion which has a hollow interior. Unlike the solids extrusion, which is solid throughout, this one actually when you extrude will have a hollow interior. That is one of the major difference. So revolve, if I click on a profile here, let's do that again. Revolve, as you can see, it creates a sphere, but the center is again hollow. All right. Sweep. So if I click on a profile and then a path, I create a pipe and interior is hollow again. So the major difference between solid and surface is that when you extrude anything from the surface menu, all right, using its functions, it will definitely create a extrusion which has a hollow center interior, hollow interior. Okay, patch is just like if you specify a surface, right? It actually creates a patch, a flat material. Okay. Rule is when you create a line and set a direction. You can create a surface that is flat based on your direction. It can be up, down, left, or right. Okay. So that is the difference. Offset, if that surface, you create an offset, another surface from the original surface based on your offset value. Now we look on modify. When you click on press pull, it actually helps to press, shrink, or pull. So you can shrink the surface or pull it. Okay. So this is a bit different than scale. Later on we will see. Fillet and chamfer basically just soften the edges around a surface. Trim. Let's go and take a look at trim. So under trim tool, you select the trimming tool, and then you select the item that you want to be cut, and click OK. As you can see, that cup has been cut in half. Okay, that's the trim tool. Untrim, it extends trim surfaces and fills gaps. Okay. Stitch. When you have two surfaces close together, okay, when you have two separate surfaces close together, you can stitch them up to create a unified body. All right. Reverse normal, I do not have reverse normal is where you select the item and you actually inverse. The interior become exterior and the exterior become the interior. So you vice versa, the surface is switch. Scale, you select the surface and you can actually enlarge or shrink based on your scale factor. So the rest is pretty much simple. Move, copy, align, and delete. So I hope, right, some of these functions are useful. This explainer and walkthrough is useful for you. All right, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for those who are new. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.